Answer these 4 questions before you decide that he's the one. The first one is, if anybody would tell you, you two look so alike, does that make you feel good about yourself? Do you feel proud? Or don't you see that as a compliment at all? The second question to ask yourself is, how do you feel when you're with him? Are you having a good time when you're with him? Do you feel loved? Do you feel safe with him? Because if you're suffering from anxiety when you're with him, then you have to think twice if this is your man. The third question to ask yourself, when you think of the future together, does that make you feel hopeful? Are you excited for things to come? Or do you feel an inner fear because you don't know what's going to happen? Because let me tell you one thing, if he's the right partner for you, then you don't have any anxiety about the future, because you know that whatever happens, you both together are going to make it work. And the fourth question to ask yourself is, do you accept this man with all his flaws, with everything that you don't like about him? Because as much as you might hate his hobby for expensive cars, or that every Sunday he wants to play football with the boys, if you think you can stop all that, you will always be disappointed, because you cannot change a man by wanting to control him. And the only real way to be happy in a relationship with a man is if you as a woman are able to accept him just the way he is right now. This is how you can make any man want to date you. Everything a man does has a goal in mind, and by nature he's always competing either with himself or with other men in order to win something. And the mistake a woman often makes is that she thinks that by showing a man that she's available for him, he will understand that she likes him. It's actually the opposite that happens in a man's brain. When he sees that you're so easy accessible, he doesn't feel there's anything he needs to compete for in order to be with you. But when you show a man that you have a full life of your own, that you're not waiting for him to save you from anything, but that at the same time you would love to see him when you're available, that is something he likes to see, because now he knows he has to work for it, to earn a little bit of your time and attention. And every man always wants to feel that the girl who chose him is the special one. So if you want to be special to him, then you have to present yourself as being unique. But if, for example, you follow all the fashion trends, that first of all it makes you look superficial, and second, it makes you look as if you don't have your own identity. When you wear too much makeup, false eyelashes, super mini skirts, extreme high heels, that all makes you look desperate, as if you're seeking for attention. But when you show that you have your own independent style, you show that you know who you are. A woman who doesn't need the validation from the world around her. That makes you worth fighting for. These are 4 ways to earn a man's respect in the beginning of dating. First of all, never pursue him, because when you do that, you take over his role. To show him that you like him, you answer his texts in a nice way, and you make yourself available to go on a date with him. But if you're the one who goes after him, that makes you look very desperate, as if there's nobody else who wants you, and therefore you're the one who's going after men now. And he cannot respect that. The second thing is, when you go on a few first dates, don't split the bill with him, because a man values what he invests in. And while you believe that by paying half the bill he will respect you, it's actually the opposite. He will respect you when you don't pay half the bill, because then he sees a woman who doesn't feel the need to prove who she is. And the third one is, don't answer to his late at night texts. Like that, you show him that you're a woman who has a busy life, and therefore at night you're obviously in bed because you're sleeping. And by you not just being available at any moment of the day, you show him that you respect yourself. And that in return makes him respect you. And the last one, never sleep with him on a first date, because that makes him doubt your body count. And although we live in such liberal times, we can do anything we want, every man nowadays will still fear a woman with a high body count, because that makes her look too easy in his eyes. And no man can respect a woman who seems weak because she doesn't have any boundaries. You can enjoy your date night and then go home, and that shows him that you're a woman who doesn't use her body in order to lure a man in. And that he can only respect.